Hi dear students, welcome my YouTube channel Study 98 with Knowledge। सुपरटेट टीजीटी एलटी ग्रेड इंग्लिश टीचर के कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की बेहतर तैयारी के लिए स्टडी 98 विद नॉलेज के साथ जुड़ें। बेहतर तैयारी करें। जिन मित्रों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। The dominating passion of Macbeth is option number A jealousy, option number B greed, option number C revenge, option number D ambition. The right answer of this question is option number D ambition. The dominating passion of Macbeth is ambition. Question number 2. In 12th night, Olivia is overhead and airs in love with option number A Malvolio, option number B Duke Orsino, option number C the clone, option number D Viola disguised as Cicero. The right answer of this question is option number D Viola disguised as Cicero. Viola, who disguised as Cicero, was a young girl. Question number 3. Who said it? How poor are they that have no patience? What wound did ever heal but by degrees? Option number A Othello, option number B Cassio, option number C Iago, option number D Desdemona. The right answer of this question is option number C Iago. These lines have been taken from the Othello, a tragedy written by William Shakespeare. Question number 4. The name of Prospero's daughter in The Tempest is option number A Desdemona, option number B Cordelia, option number C Miranda, option number D Olivia. The right answer of this question is option number C Miranda. Miranda was the daughter of Prospero. The drama of Shakespeare, Tempest. Question number 5. Shakespeare wrote option number A 154 sonnets, option number B 145 sonnets, option number C 451 sonnets, option number D 26 sonnets. The right answer of this question option number A 154 sonnets. These sonnets were published in 1609. So the right answer is option number A 154 sonnets. Question number 6. Who among the following was born first all? Option number A William Shakespeare, option number B John Milton, option number C John Galsworthy, option number D William Wordsworth. The right answer of this question is option number A William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born 1564. John Milton was born 1608. John Galsworthy was born 1867 and Wordsworth was born 1770. So the right answer of this question is option number A William Shakespeare. Question number 7. The language used by Shakespeare in his drama for the most part of is A poetic prose, option number B blank verse, option number C narrative prose, option number D dramatic verse. The right answer of this question is option number B blank verse. Shakespeare used the most part of his language in blank verse. Question number 8. Which is not Shakespeare's drama? Option number A Titus Andronicus, option number B Edward II, Option number C, Hamlet. Option number C, Richard III. The right answer of this question is option number B, Edward II. Edward II is not written by Shakespeare. Edward II is written by Christopher Marlowe, an Elizabethan poet. Question number 9. The early plays of Shakespeare were written between 109 option number A, 1597 to 1625. Option number B, 1598 to 1614. Option number C, 1590 to 1595. Option number D, 1600 to 1607. The right answer of this question is option number C, 1590 to 1595. Question number 10. Which of Shakespeare's tragedy is called the tragedy of reflection? Option number A, King Lear. Option number B, Hamlet. Option number C, Macbeth. Option number D, Othello. The right answer of this question is Hamlet. Hamlet is a revenge tragedy written in the line of Roman tragedy. It is a tragedy of reflection and moral sensitivity. So the right answer of this question is option number B, Hamlet. Question number 11. One of the following works of Milton is a prose work. Mention that. Option number A, Lycidas. Option number B, Paradise Regained. Option number C, Paradise Lost. Option number D, Areopagitica. The right answer of this question is option number D, Areopagitica. Question number 12. Which of the following is a work of Milton? Option number A, Novum Organum. Option number B, De Doctrina Christiana. Option number C, Endymion. Option number D, Prothelmion. The right answer of this question is option number B, De Doctrina Christiana. Written by option number A, Novum Organum. Written by Francis Bacon in Latin, published in 1620. Endymion is a poem written by John Keats, first published in 1818. Prothelmion is a poem written by Edmund Spenser, 1552 to 1599. He was one of the most important poets of the period of England. Question number 13. Complete the sentence. Comus is. Option number A, Musk. Option number B, a pastoral allegory. Option number C, poetic line. Option number D, a farce. The right answer of this question is A, Musk. Comus is a musk. Written by John Milton. Comus is written by John Milton. Comus is a musk. Option number 14. Milton was an Elizabethan poet. Option number B, a bleated Elizabethan poet. Option number C, a Jacobean poet. Option number D, classical poet. The right answer of this question is option number B, a bleated Elizabethan poet. John Milton was a late Elizabethan poet because he was born on December 9, December 1608. and it was believed that his notable writing came after 1625, end of the 11th age. So, John Milton was called a bleated Elizabethan poet. Question number 14. In which poem does the following statement appear? Solitude sometimes is the best society. Option number A, Paradise Regained. Option number B, Lycidas. Option number C, Paradise Lost. Option number D, Comus. The right answer of this question is Paradise Lost. Paradise Lost is written by John Milton. It is a epic poem. Up question number 15. Absalom. Absalom is a work by option number A, John Dryden. Option number B, Robert Frost. Option number C, Walt Whitman. Option number D, William Faulkner. The right answer of this question is option number D, William Faulkner. Absalom. Absalom is a work Faulkner, published in 1936. Faulkner won the Nobel Prize in Literature. Question number 17. Walt Whitman is a poet of the option number A, 19th century. Option number B, 20th century. Option number C, 17th century. Option number D, 18th century. The right answer of this question is 19th century. Walt Whitman was one of the most significant writers of the 19th century. Question number 18. Who among the following is the interpreter of the nature in many moods? Option number A, William Wordsworth. Option number B, William Shakespeare. Option number C, William Butler Yeats. Option number D, William Pitt. The right answer of this question is William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is regarded as the greatest poet and high priest of nature. So, the right answer of this question is option number A, William Wordsworth. Question number 19. Who among the following was not a British citizen? Option number A, John Milton. Option number B, William Shakespeare. Option number C, William Wordsworth. Option number D, Catherine Frank. The right answer of this question is Catherine Frank. Catherine Frank was not a British citizen.